Hello. George. First, you need to understand why he told this that thing. See, I know nowadays I'm talking to some person, right? So what the way, because if we are talking to some people, how the where these fellows are dragging us into their level only, they should think that to whom they are talking and all. Actually, don't take it for granted. Also, see, when the power they told everybody, oh so much. The moment I told against how their attitude and the silly ego offers and all culture away the way. Actually, you need to understand why do you need to get afraid of. Initially, one what I'm telling that tell public you will not do your number if you're afraid of nobody will eat you. So I told that you didn't do any fraud or crimes on your own. I know because I can just save you in 5 minutes that much only, because I know how your brain and how this will be working, how you are easily can be manipulated like that. So any case, not even a single case in this earth will be valued against you, because you are that much purity. That is the Shivataini. See, that is the assignment way how we have an assignment. Okay, so that's what I told. Also, way posted against you that these all family qualities, these all things. Because these devils are all screwing up and threatening my family in hometown and to them under person. So Gandhi family, and I am trying to desperately trying to trap you, kill you like that. And the great high class, Dalit Kachara Vaishal, these all are things. But I should let them know that, because they all are not very much busy with their life and they are doing farming and their own businesses and without depending on looting or anybody. The world's most high class family is mine. Okay, with a hard work, with a heart. See, look at you should hold my hand also. At that time you will understand its reflection. Okay. So they're busy. They don't have time to screw up others or loot others or trap others or nothing. And even if I told her my idea, she was 24/7. She was doing overwork. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so that's the thing. They were very busy. They didn't. So now only they are coming to know these all things. So I want to let them know the realities, because no the invitude in the kachara greedy the dapang one or napan chicken like that kachara through tabach and like kind of kachara prostitute bastards will prostitute them that you are the some high class I am trying to do. So I should disclose the actual reality of the high class, whatever the details will change. See, not even a single person is eligible to stand in front of my family 1,000 kilometers far away. That's much quality class standard family I'm coming from. And my parents of the entire generation has been done hard work 24/7 and come up. And not the political background, if you are telling much much more political observance, the political background my families have. They have done 100% dedicated politics. They are not like so 3rd October is chadi they much arrange chavada for what purpose you are getting in area to preach it in the eagerness, desperation, power mandavati from last year onwards. So when water is coming, I will take again. This is kind of kachara straight. See, this your problem is you are not carrying a big burden on your head. See, not even a single person in this Congress don't have any eligibility or credibility, or everybody is depending upon you. Then blaming and these all stories I am posting in these all things to create awareness. You know, these fellows only putting these all things. Okay, these who are all stick around these Abhyamanasing and culture and every fellows like that only. The Malayalis also actually they don't have the courage or confidence, and where will go be like that culture of frauds. That's the thing. We am telling us not even a single person is 1 year, not even a single person have the confidence or courage to talk straight or anything. Okay, so then everybody is you got to blame these Pranidira, Kachara, Vashin, and Apollo. See, last week when I told that the Kerala also told that you will not get kids and all, na, that is as per your horoscope, it is like that you will not. So that's why the leaders also okay, no. So now, I posted that. Rourkela astrologist, that thing like he told. So certainly these fellows go, oh, again, that's what excited. Actually, see, that is not because of these fellows, that is because of my quality, these all things, what based upon me, what you will get. That's the thing, the protection. It's a culture of portraits. None of them have even a single percentage confidence positive view or this thing towards you. And this the Pushpa Tajira, these are the culture of double, because BJP is trying hard to they hijacked everybody and adjusted under the bargain. So the state election power this will agree and you will be again like a fool. So for that only that agreement has happened, and that's why Suvalma desperately went to UK Labour Party and Charapati. I don't understand. See, your problem is very simple. Your mother is 78-year-old. She knows that what are the things she has done, and I know that. So one more thing. See, now these fellows are trying to attack and socially trap me like this. Now how much they might have tried to trap your mother also, but she was vulnerable for that because they will be blackmailing her with her family previous job, that background also. So that's the thing. That's what that yielding was going on, and everything was okay. So, and because each and every fellow I am coming across their looks and what are the ways active dialogues coming in the culture. So yesterday I disclosed there is no threats. These all fellows and only created. So everybody, oh, so certainly grab. Then in the yesterday in Congress page I hear oh, Sopna in a culture take a sticker on the per and see, I don't understand where you are yielding to this kind of culture party. And see, their aim is to this entire family will be assassinated. That's the only thing, and then none of them want anything good to happen. That is not this kind of culture, vicious traffic. The another thing, she's a number one danger of poisonous culture. Another thing, why I am telling this. So that is the reason. See, I told these fellows might have threatened you to they will try put the cases and throw you out of India. That's whatever thing. See, the simple solution I told that even if whatever the threats these fellows are doing. See, I told Sonia ji already 78-year-old, she is a cancer patient. She can just commit suicide. Or she can threaten that, and she can tell that what are the frauds, these all things. She herself didn't do. She's a good quality lady actually. She has been under the trap in her younger age. She has been trapped, and in that trap then these leaders were trapping, and so you and this assassination, all the leaders also involved. That's nobody was present in that. So it's everything is so Indira is also these fellows power place. That's the only thing. So she can tell that she is under threat and your life is at risk. So with a clearly writing and statements informed to all the authorities, the entire problem will be solved. Okay, that's the thing. So that is much easy. So she can make a threat. That's the only thing. The entire India will be standing. So there is no need. You are not in under. So don't show the eagerness or desperateness. Okay, and you have understand that none of these fellows have any credibility to stand even in front of me 1,000 days. Why I am doing this all thing? You should think that what you people are gabbing and achieving these all things. Now that's reflections only these. This is the thing. If I am answering a project, I will not eat or I will not do anything, and I will just 24/7 dedicating it. That's the way my research is and hard working. That's my blood gene. That's like that. That's the way. And these kind of culture of frauds, they do not have any credibility or anything. Or sitting around Professor Pushpa, I cannot trust him because he will talk nicely on the back cut. The other devils are they are jealous or frustrated that actually this in your trapping to this Pranidhi that Abhishek teams, they are very much involved. His all friends that enter battle because they are first. They only are actually troubled me. So they want to hide these all things and they are jealous because Abhishek's career was spoiled. That's it. This is also anything. Who all played? He played for faculty position only this much. What? Now his entire career, even when he was what he have done PhD, took everything 90 and then his postdoc in Cambridge and all the privileges, everything was there. But in Tata Institute, there are somewhere it's working like this. This is what out of desperateness, greediness. So actually, your case, I know that you are a pure baby. You are being dragged into. That's the reason I'm repeatedly trying to save you. Okay. So there is no risk or nothing. You don't need to yield anything. You just tell that you will commit suicide. That's the only thing. And these fellas are nothing. These fellas are in front. See, I told the entire world. These fellas, how much they will try to get to the support of all the world. Nothing. I have that credibility, ability, potential of these fellows cannot even imagine my range. That much I do have that stamina that I do have. Nobody will eat you. And only these kind of thrillers pulling leg and this. See, also in this mails, I am not only the first paragraphs I am able to edit because now I don't have any laptop and these fellows are blocking all the libraries everywhere and all the everything is blocking and the risk by begging to somebody can only I am typing at least one paragraph. Remaining I am keeping the same old like that and all. So many parameters and all that. So you don't need to get afraid. And again you are getting outbursting into going. And also in terms of the body, these all things. My told that I am not even eating anything and I am not looking anything. And I don't have any time for this, anything. And this is what for the past 1 year I am doing that. You need to understand that. Okay. So I also see what my hard work if grabbing also nothing. If we are getting married together, a prostitute also won't last. You just I feel, see, I can sense the energy and I know what is there internally. That I can sense. That's the reason. And these fellas under a sticker on the party, I don't understand who you are afraid of in this. Who are this? The great fellas, the wife's kutta party. This is kind of all the cultures are like this only. See, I can understand if a man is confident, living with coming from a quality family, living with a confident good partners, how their behavior and how their activities reflected. And so actually none of these fellows, even if you people are arranging some party also, nothing is going to last. And you see, there is a truth in this universe. Have common sense, we can get it through. See, you know how your perspective changed, and these all these different students, okay, you also accepting that what are the things you fellows have, that all things, what are the reports I am positive based upon that is it. And your great enthusiastic current fellows, everybody is following this and projecting out. So have common sense and some have possess some minimum quality. And ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള പോലെയുള്ള ചേർച്ചെടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ചോണിയാക്കി എവരിബഡി വിൽ ബി ബ്ലാസ്റ്റഡ് ആൻഡ് പ്രിയ ഡോണ്ട് ഗെറ്റ് എക്സൈറ്റഡ് യു ആർ റിപ്പോർട്ട് കച്ചറ ഫ്രോഡ് ചെറ്റ ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് നോ ബഡി വിൽ ഈറ്റ് യു ആൻഡ് സം അഹങ്കാര അഹന്ത ഗ്രീഡിനെസ് നത്തിങ് വിൽ സി നെഹ്റു കിൽഡ് Subhash Chandra Bose and everything grabbed, and unless how he died with like a sexual that disease, I forgot the disease name. What he did, how many people behind she went, and that Firoz Khan, he was a good man, and no, he was also, later I understood his reports also, he was also many women addiction and all there, and then how many people behind she went, that Matai for sucking and all. This is what our activities that will not get pacified and will go and will get she got assassinated. Then Sanjay Gati also she will be assassinated, and this everybody see, there's a thing, learn from the lessons and have understand. And on top of that, what for this, what are the papas you killed my auntie to 80 how many people yesterday that fraud was telling to me about the Hinduism and the beliefs and this is what we should not we should not degrade our standards, quality and culture. Don't try to talk to convince our people straight dogs will be straight dogs only, and the septic tank sucking fellows will be septic tank sucking only. And for what purpose, I don't understand. There is no threat, nobody will eat you, and only your desperateness and you thought that you can jab and Jammu Kashmir go and Amar of the will put you. Have some common sense and manage. See, where I block the power. See, I am creating awareness to all the world. I am managing them, and it's my own personality, standards, quality. I have a credibility. That's they are trusting, and I have that credibility. I don't like that any third person is misusing that. If you have to go and talk to them, you should talk to me and to let me know what your plans. If you are using my credentials, that's the thing. It's not about you are nothing in front of me. You are. What do you have that one fraud of family set up things or what? What nothing. And so that you need to understand yourself. Huh? So at that time you should must be for using my credibilities. You people should know, inform me what you are doing, and not this kind of third class matter activities. Okay, this and all, nothing is going to last year and prawn see, street prostitutes will be having much more quality standard. That kind of a culture like a Malayali Paranari party. So for them they will get cars culture party with their eligible children, they will want to get it. That's the only thing. So that's the reason I have explained it. My family and they are in so much of fear and threat. Nobody is talking to my mother even, and so that they will think these all are high class, these all are very third street class. So our family is the quality family in this world. People should be proud of that. Okay, you all are doing hard work and come upon it, and you don't need to tolerate these kind of kachara, mean meditation, kachara, whatever. So who are all doing that double, we should run back. And my sister, she's the one correct kachara that brother like he's tension and kachara parties. They only screwing and threatening my family, everybody like that. This is the same thing in Bombay also. Out of this their madness, they came and trapped me and spoiled everything. And she should be killed, kachara. And so who are all the family members you people are killing also, I don't care and I don't mind, because I have done each and whatever thing I can possibly, everybody have done. And so I am standing for a mission, and I am just for that. And the kachara who are all that chalmangosh the kind of a for what purpose? And so Sonia, you have this much obligation, you sucked everybody, right? So they actually their threats you yield to that. So for what purpose? Have some shame. And nobody will eat this kind of kachara party, entire family will be. See, whatever the horoscope these fellows have projected, everything is fake. If there is truth, they don't need to block all the astrologists, these all things, and there is nothing. You are not. See, the moment they will assassinate you, and then they can grab a power with that sensation, and they will another some 10 years they will keep up, like now Indiraji and the Rajiv ji, they are putting, that is the only thing, these fellas. This is not even a single person have any credibility. I tried to talk to each and everybody, even Chidambaram, Kapil Sibal, Kapil Chayman, me, and all each and every, these all fellows I mailed, tried to meet, went to their homes. Not even a single person have any credibility or potential or anything. And then one part, even Sharad Pawar I mailed, and I went to his house many times. And then Sanjay Raut, these all fellows, Nothing is, nobody has any confidence. But for what purpose you are giving? Like a joker you are. You, you do not know what is happening in it. So there is a truth in this, balance in this. Science, Hinduism is a science, energy. That is it. None of you fellows have any minimum eligibility or common sense to understand that even. And you are stuck around the fellows will protect and boost you that you are that. You are not that. And you don't think that your old business that sell the nation and can grab that all the culture fellows that are not going to work out. Also the IIT fellows that kind of culture crack and Proso Pushpa also. We also like this only. Each and every fellows out of jealous because of quality. Because now people can understand what is the quality and from their behavior, what kind of a quality family they have come. That's what their frustration, jealous out of that. They are reached to my family and digged everything and like this. Okay, sure. So anyway. So don't get yielded to nobody will eat. October thought this is what everybody was this much hiding these all things. Have some shame and it's only going to commit suicide. For what purpose you are living like this and that? So that's only, it is a simple matter. If these fellows are doing this much, your entire cases, everything will be solved that day itself. Okay, the entire public will study. You tell that. So now the Shiv Shakti, these fellows are blocking that solid for killing you. That's a clear-cut assassination. Only they are doing that. No, nothing is going to give you anything. Okay, so have some common sense. Only the Trishul is there in both the hands. Okay, look. Kerala people also should know. See, this is my Trishul. And in my both hands. These all things, Kerala astrologer, these all things should see. Both the Trishuls in my hands. This is the protection. Nobody can touch me. Okay. So the whole world will be with me. They will be under the protection. Okay. So that's it. So that's the thing assignment. The universe has assigned me to protect. This is actually Rajiv Gandhi, Indrajit, their souls only. And I go to 3 Shivalangas as blessing. Okay. So that's the thing. There are so many things, scientific things out there. Who are not even eligible. So you don't need to oblige to anybody. Okay. Bye.